Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the moonroof fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, it's actually two of them in two different fuse boxes. We'll explain about that, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses, so if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the moonroof fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion right here. Now, you will be working in two different fuse boxes. The first one is easy to get to, so what you need to do, open your hood. Once you guys open the hood, if you notice right here on the driver's side next to the air filter box, okay, you have that cover that looks like a T. Open it. And underneath is the main engine fuse box right here. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So here we need to check one fuse for the moonroof, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check one more, and we're talking about that fuse number 1 right here, guys, that fuse right here. Next, what you need to do, open the driver door here. Okay, let me show you now the dash. Okay, you see that cover underneath the steering wheel? It attaches with 4 clips, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side of the steering wheel. You pull it from top and it will open on hinges, and behind it you have another fuse box in the very bottom. You're going to notice it, that looks like this one here. Okay, fuse numbers, okay, are a little bit, guys, okay, a little bit confusing, but you will understand them. They go from 1 through 22, and then they come from 23 to 37 that way. But the fuse that we need to check is fuse, guys, okay, it will be fuse number 27. So that's 23, 4, 5, 6, 7. That 30 amp fuse in our case, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.